In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design bootleg t-shirts using Canva. Whether you're an artist looking to express your creativity, or just someone who loves unique t-shirts, designing your own bootleg style tees can be both fun and rewarding. And the best part about using Canva for this process is how accessible and straightforward it is, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's dive into the steps to create your own standout design. First, you'll want to start by opening Canva. Once you're in, navigate to the search bar at the top and type in bootleg t-shirt design. This will direct you to a myriad of ready-to-use templates specifically crafted for t-shirt designs. These templates are a great starting point because they give you the structure and design elements of a professional-looking shirt, making the design process much easier. After you've searched for bootleg t-shirt designs, take your time browsing through the options available. This is where you can let your creative juices flow. Look for a template that you feel resonates with the vibe or style you're aiming for. It's a good idea to consider the color schemes and imagery, keeping in mind what would look good printed on a t-shirt. Once you find the perfect one, go ahead and select it. Now that you've chosen your template, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This is where the real fun begins because you're about to make the design your own. Canva's editor is incredibly intuitive, providing you with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. You'll be able to change colors, move elements around, and really start to personalize the design to fit your vision. Once you're in the editor and ready to customize, focus on editing the text first if that's part of your design plan. You can click on any text box in the template and start typing your inspiring quotes, funny phrases, or whatever message you want your bootleg t-shirt to carry. Make sure the text is legible and stands out. You might want to experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors until you find the combination that makes your design pop. Canva offers a wide range of options here, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're just about done. At this point, you can save your design by downloading it, preferably selecting a high quality format suitable for printing, such as PNG or PDF. Then you can take your creation to a t-shirt printing service and watch your design come to life. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to design your own bootleg t-shirts using Canva. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to making t-shirts that are uniquely yours. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to make bold design choices. Happy designing!